my dear students, I welcome you in computer class. Before this, I have sent you two PPTs for chapter 1 Computer Fundamentals. Now in this class, we will learn secondary memory and secondary storage devices. Students, there are some characteristics of secondary memory which distinguish it from primary memory. Secondary memory is where data and information are kept on a long-term basis. It cannot be processed directly by the CPU. Secondary memory is the cheapest form of the memory and it is of two types, fixed and removable. Let's discuss it further. Secondary memory is in the form of two types of devices, fixed devices and removable devices. Fixed devices are hard disk drive and CD/DVD drive, and removable devices are pen drive and Blu-ray disc. There are lots more. Let's discuss it one by one. Secondary memory is in the form of secondary storage devices that can be present inside the CPU or outside the CPU cabinet. Here are some examples I am giving you for secondary storage devices like hard disk, pen drive and etc. You can learn them from here. A hard disk is the main storage device of a computer system. It comes fixed inside the CPU box. It stores all the programs like softwares and operating systems. We can also store other type of files like text files, audio files, video files or games, etc. A hard disk has a very large storage capacity. We can measure it in the form of GBs and TBs, and which is the largest units of a computer memory. An external hard disk is generally used to transfer or backup the data from one computer to another. It is connected with the computer with the help of a USB cable. It has a huge storage capacity from 20 GB to several TBs. It is a portable device and we can carry it anywhere. Students, a CD is a small round plastic disc with a reflective metal coating. हम इसमें अपना डेटा जैसे कि वीडियोस, पिक्चर्स, ऑडियोस, सॉफ्टवेयर्स आदि 700 MB तक ही सेव कर सकते हैं. ये एक बहुत सस्ता साधन है हमारे डेटा को स्टोर करने के लिए और हमें इसे यूज करने के लिए CD ड्राइव की जरूरत होती है. बच्चों, एक DVD CD की तरह दिखती है, लेकिन ये CD से कहीं ज़्यादा और कहीं अच्छी क्वालिटी का डेटा स्टोर कर सकती है और ये जो DVD की कैपेसिटी है 4 GB तक होती है. CD और DVD ऑप्टिकल डिवाइसेस हैं. Blu-ray disc is a new generation optical storage device. The name Blu-ray comes from the fact that a blue violet laser beam is used to store data on it. The storage capacity of a Blu-ray disc is 10 times more than a DVD. It has a storage capacity starting from 25 GB to 100 GB. A pen drive is also known as flash drive. It is very small. It can fit into our pockets. आजकल ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रही है आपका डेटा स्टोर करने के लिए और ट्रांसफ़र करने के लिए. और जो पेन ड्राइव है वो हमें USB पोर्ट में लगानी होती है कंप्यूटर के अंदर. मैंने यहाँ पर इमेज 2 में आपको दिखाया है. पेन ड्राइव की जो स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी है वो 1 GB से लेके 1 TB तक होती है. A memory card is a rectangular shaped storage device and it is used in mobile phones, digital cameras and tablets. We can transfer data from a memory card with the help of a card reader as shown in the picture. It comes with the capacity of 128 GB. बच्चों, क्लाउड स्टोरेज एक ऐसी सर्विस है जिसमें हम अपना डेटा इंटरनेट पर स्टोर कर सकते हैं और कहीं भी बैठे हुए किसी भी डिवाइस पर हम इसे ले सकते हैं. सिर्फ हमें इंटरनेट कनेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है. ईमेल प्रोवाइडर्स की तरह ही क्लाउड स्टोरेज प्रोवाइडर्स होते हैं जैसे कि OneDrive, Google Drive, etc. Students, I have sent you 2 PPTs and this is the third class of chapter 1. I am summarizing here. First is we have learned IPO cycle, different input and output devices, storage devices, working of central processing unit, how we can store information in our computer. We have learned different memory units and also 2 types of computer memory. So students, that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, keep studying. Thank you.